Hi guys, welcome to Mount Aliza Development Update.
Hello everyone and welcome to Mount Aliza project. We are here for a construction development update meeting, and as you can see, and I'm very happy with the development at the moment. The work is in full swing. We are aiming to title the stage 1 45 lots in mid-March 2021 and stage 2 38 lots in mid-July 2021. Out of first stage 45 lots we already sold out, and in second stage 38 lots we already sold 10 lots. So there is still an opportunity in a very good boutique project to grab lots here for your dream home and first homeowner buyers, for investors to grab this opportunity for new homeowner grant. Lots of new development happening in the area, growth corridor area, lots of infrastructure development happening here. Fantastic opportunity. We are here with our town planner and project management caliber, Winslow, our construction company, Countryland Australia, Gambit Property and Bloom Real Estate. We are looking forward to title the lots in this project and build a great community here at Mount Aliza Estate. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Thanks. Please contact us for more details. Countryland Australia, Gambit Property, Bloom Real Estate. Please call Countryland Australia, Gambit Property and Bloom Real Estate.